Ready to ditch that tiny phone screen and dominate the Monopoly Go board on your PC? First, head over to BlueStacks.com using your favorite web browser. I put a direct link in the description below for easy access. Once you're on the BlueStacks website, look for the download button, usually prominently displayed. Click it to download the BlueStacks installer. After the download is complete, locate the installer file. It's likely in your downloads folder and double-click it to begin the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to install BlueStacks. The installation might take a few minutes, so grab a quick coffee while you wait. Once BlueStacks is installed, launch the application. You'll see the BlueStacks home screen now. Find and click on the Google Play Store icon. You'll need to sign in with your Google account to access the Play Store. After signing in, use the search bar at the top and type in Monopoly Go. Find the official Monopoly Go app. Make sure it's the one published by Scopely and click on the Install button. Wait for the game to download and install within BlueStacks, just like you would on your phone. Once the installation is complete, you'll find the Monopoly Go icon on your BlueStacks home screen. Click on it to launch the game. And that's it. You can now enjoy Monopoly Go on your PC with improved graphics, smoother performance, and the convenience of using your keyboard and mouse. Get ready to roll those dice and build your empire. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tutorials.